We are going to talk about Python. If it's your first time programming, Python is a great choice. Once you get started, you will see that Python is friendly, easy to learn, and has a lot of use cases. For example, Telegram bots. Python is described as interpreted and dynamic programming language with a focus on code readability. Let's check the reasons to learn Python. Python's simple syntax and high readability factor make it a beginner-friendly language. Naturally, the learning curve of Python is way shorter than for any other language. Data is the base in any subject. Doesn't matter what field you want to be in, it's going to be there. Python is one of the commonly used programming languages for data science and machine learning. Python provides libraries that include the areas like string operations, Internet Web Services tool, operating system interfaces, and protocols. Python package index includes more than 85,000 models and scripts to be used. Python is not just a programming language, it can be used for scripting too. The difference of scripting languages is that they don't require any compilation, they are directly interpreted. In Python, you can write code in the script form and directly execute it. Python is a fantastic choice for integration. It can be embedded in applications seamlessly, and it also applies to applications written in other languages. For more than 20 years, Python has been cross-platform and open source. Also, Python supported by dynamic and well-knit community that you can rely on. And finally, let's go through some basics of Python language.